On the 1st of March 2024, the death of Sisi Quadri, one of the funniest Yoruba-speaking actors in Nollywood, was announced. He was reported to have died after a brief sickness. Oyebamiji Tolani Quadri was a Nigerian comic actor who was born on the 26th of December 1979 to the family of Mr. and Mrs. Oyebamiji. He attended his primary and secondary school education in Ore, Ondo State, before moving back to his hometown, Iwo in Osun State, to study Arabic and Quran, because his father has always wanted him to be an Islamic cleric. He later learned fashion designing and finished in 1999. But due to his love for education, he backed a diploma certificate in Iro Polytechnic, Osun State. In the early 2000s, his father's elder brother introduced him to his mentor and lecturer, Toyin Olaiya, who brought him into acting. When the late Amida Shakin, popularly known as Mama Mileko, first saw Quadri, she fell in love with his acting skills and added him to her team. He would later relocate to Lagos, where he was introduced to other celebrities, and he trained as a makeup artist.
Not something as good as outside.
Sorry, what are you real? If I make a drink, for okay bye. What be that a benny? Sorry, Polo Shini.
He got the name Sisi Quadri from Alaja Yinka Oluwaye, who trained him as a makeup artist. According to him, she gave him the name because he behaves like a woman. Initially, he did not like the name and would fight back anytime he is being called. But due to people's persistence, he had no other option but to accept it as a nickname. Sisi Quadri started his acting career in the early 2000s, and he hit the spotlight in 2004 after he featured in the 4th of December 2004 movie titled Sheniyan Shenranko. After his major hit and few other features, Sisi Quadri went off screen for over a decade, venturing into other businesses like fashion and clothing. He made a comeback in 2020 with the movie titled Ebudola. Since then, his talent shone brightly nationwide. Sisi Quadri captivated the audience with an unrelenting ability to ridicule his rivals in movies. He was a rare breed in Nollywood. He was totally unmatched by any opponents. His outstanding performance in Ebudola, which was produced by his close buddy Fumi Awelewa, allowed him to pursue further acting and content development. The insulting and annoying character he portrayed in movies was a trait he picked up in his parents, as he preferred using words than rod. That trait endeared Sisi Quadri to millions of movie lovers.
Relationship with me tí mo ti ń kọ́bọ̀ látijọ́ yìí mo wo adékan bí sọ ara rẹ o.
Èmi ọ̀rọ̀ pé kí ni ko ẹ fara balẹ̀ jẹ́ sọ tèmi tẹ́lẹ̀ yín tẹ̀lé bí òbúlọ́ọ̀kù sí ọ̀dà mọ́ má bínú torí Ọlọ́run tó ń mí káàkiri tó ṣe ẹ̀kọ́ tó ṣe ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó dúró lọ́ọ̀kan jẹ́ sọ́ọ̀bà tẹ́ ìwà ìjẹ́ tó lè darapọ̀ mọ́ra wọn ni olùsí ẹlẹ́mìí tọkàn bí wọ́n ṣe wà yìí tí wọ́n bá jẹ́ olùsí ọmọ rọ́bà ní orí ẹ̀lásìrò àwọn fífọ́ rán sọ ọwọ́ àti sọ kínní ẹ̀kọ́ tí ń fọmọ lọ́mú ó ti wá tẹ̀ ọ̀yàn ọkọlọ gírin ṣé n tó yẹ kó ọ fẹ́ rè wo fìlà bí àtẹ̀kàn sọ́ọ̀bù ṣẹlẹ̀ ìjọ́jọ́ sọ́dà.
Despite taking a long break from acting after his appearance in Sheniyan Shenranko, his appearance in Ebudola paved way for him in 2020, and he featured in over 100 movies. A lot of the movies he featured in has over 1 million views on YouTube. Some of these movies he featured includes Ebudola, Leki Aja, Eru Eleru, Olowo Pako, Tokotaya, Kurakuta, and many more. Anikulapo Rise of the Spectre was his last screen appearance before the announcement of his death. Apart from acting, Sisi Quadri also featured in many comedy skit videos from some of the finest in the skit-making industry.
Oh, my partner.
Come here. Look at him like a whip of cane. Come.
Ṣé mi lè ń bá wí? Tẹnu yín bó bí ọmọ tó ní gbóná. Mo rò pé orí yín ti dàrú. Tẹ́ rúrú tójú áńgẹ́lì alásọ̀kùsí dọ̀tí. Mo rò pé wọ́n fọṣọ tó wá fún yín kankan. Olórí burúkú áńgẹ́lì aláwọn pọ̀tọ́ òṣì gbogbo ṣe rí pa apárìpọ̀ ẹ̀sìn. Ayé yín máa bàjẹ́ ni. Èmi ló ń ṣe wòsíwòsí bí àbí kò ní wò fún ọ ni. Olórí gbogbo ẹlẹ́tì rẹ̀ ti pé ó ti ní gbóná ayé. Èmi ló ń bá ṣòfò ọ̀rọ̀. Tẹ wá ń hó bí ẹ̀rọ ọlọ́gì tí kí ló tẹ kó sódà sẹ́nu tó kó tán fọṣọ lẹ́nu yín ẹ dákun bí dáìtì ẹlẹ́rìí tẹ wá ṣe mú bí ewo búlọ́ọ̀kù ẹni sùúrù yín tòrò bí kànga nu omi tí ò yé mi ní kẹ́ ẹ ṣàlàyé fún mi ẹni sùúrù tá a lẹ́yìn gangan ta ló mú yẹn láyà yín rí ẹni èyí ìwé àyàm á ìwé rèwo ṣẹ́yìn lẹ pẹ́mùkẹ́ Abíọ́lá ni ṣẹ́yìn lẹ fábàṣà lóògùn jẹ ni ṣẹ́yìn lẹ bá Nàìjíríà jẹ ni ẹṣẹ́ ìgbàpò tí ìdìbò ni tẹ wá ṣe fìlà bí kóńgò èso ẹ wá lè ní sáwọn lílọ ìtàn yín lọ bí àwọn ọmọ lútọ ẹpọpọ yàtẹ ìwúlò tẹ ṣàǹfààní tí ọ̀dà fúnra tí ọ̀yẹ́ yín tó bá dájú tó wáyé lé bàbá rẹ sọ̀rọ̀ àárọ̀ bàbá rẹ rọ̀sán àbá rẹ alẹ́ rẹ tún ti wá lẹ àbẹ́ òkọ́lẹ̀ ń wúra dàdà bí ẹ ti fọ́ kóró pọ̀ tẹ́tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ tẹ́ ìwòsàn tẹ́ wúlò fún ara yín ẹ sọ bí tẹ́ ẹ ti mọ̀rọ̀ sọ tí mo ní lọ́bẹ̀ central mosque kí ló ń síwájú orí yín wá rí dáadáa tó rí dáadáa tó rí dáadáa tó ń sí wọn rí gorí rẹ̀ ti táǹgù ọ̀hún sì ló ní bàbá wẹ́nu rẹ̀ sí yọ smoke rábùsọ̀ màdé gbé kolo pọ́ọ̀tì sẹ́nu ni wọ́n náà wò kọ́ tó wọ̀ ayé ti wó odò rẹ̀ tọ́ ọ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọmú rẹ̀ ọmọ sẹ́mi gírí ọmọ sẹ́láìsì ti bùrà súnkàn yọmọ sẹ́mi ràdàrà omi rò fún omi yomi ìbànújẹ́ eyín rẹ̀ ló kún pólí bàgẹ́ yín kẹ́rù rẹ̀ wọ̀wọ̀ òsì rábùsọ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́rù rẹ̀ ní ìsìn orí nǹkan bọ́ọ̀ bá pupa kéèkì kò ní rẹ̀ wà bá rẹ̀ rè wo nǹkan wọ́n ojú orí bàbá rẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yàrá rẹ̀ ó gbogbo yàrá ìwé jìkà rẹ̀ bí akúnlẹ̀ gbẹgbẹ́ sọ́nù bí abíyá rẹ̀ rẹ̀ fẹ́fẹ́ ẹ̀yà ipa tó olóṣòwò ká rẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ pẹ́ lè jẹ́ sẹ́nitẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé jẹ́ kánsílọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbá kò sí kánsílọ̀ ní wọlé.
Stop it stop it it's no longer funny this is not funny see the way you're insulting my daddy if you love me you used to be insulting my daddy like this do you think he will allow you marry me. What's that.
ta ló fẹ́ wèrè ta ni ó fi ọ. ẹ wo ntẹ́mi wá tẹ̀lé wá polówó mi báyìí o mi dé ló sanwó èébú fún mi ní pé àbándò òun ṣẹ́rí ìfún mi sí ìbú yín o tẹ́ ẹ bá tan fóònù yín láàárọ̀ èébú lẹ́gbọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ tán lọ́sàn lẹ́yìn kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbàgbó dátà yín èmi àti yájọ wọn ẹ panu dé kí ló dé sí ọ̀dàdé san lẹ́nu yín sí ẹ̀kẹ́ ìlú mi ni ẹ̀rẹ́nu bàbá sí wọ́n ti láàbẹ́ ẹnu wọ́n ti wá tóbi pé àtàbẹ́ gírí àtàbẹ́ rẹ́ẹ̀dì gbogbo òfurufú sílẹ̀ sí látàn kò sí nǹkan kan tí wọ́n ní lẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ nìkan ní àndá ìsìn ní àndá ẹ̀yẹn ní àndá ẹja ní àndá àmọ̀ ní àndá àwò wúrà dàràdẹ́ wọn mọ́ sí ń wò tẹ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀ òsì ẹ̀rí nǹkan àmọ̀ bá àbọ̀ lọ́mọ bódìdí lọ́mọ ni àmọ̀ yóò sì dodo lẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe hàn ká bí ẹnìyàn fún ní pé kò sí wàhálà èmi ti parí iṣẹ́ tèmi jẹ́ lọ gba balance kí mi dí ó tó jáde lọ kọ́mọ̀dé pé mo wá bí èmi kàn waste oúnjẹ yẹn wòran kí lélẹ́.
àmọ̀ tó gbà mí. I could have killed a lot.
owó mọ́tò dà kí mọ́ra lọ́wọ́ fòkè máa yín mọ́ bá dùn fún. ẹ ní ẹ lé ní tẹ́lẹ̀ ń wo tẹlifíṣàn white and black tí ọ̀là antena tẹ́ ń wóra kọ̀rakọ̀ bí ẹni ó gbé pé sàgàrì kò sí wàhálà ẹ máa wo ẹ máa sún kẹ̀kẹ́ yọ máa sún ẹ̀yìn bígbà tó jẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ́ fẹ́ tú ẹ rí pàmì ètè wọn ṣe rí bí ètò mu tá ní olóúnjẹ ẹ dákun ẹ panudé èsì ń bọ̀ aláìmọ̀ ń tọkàn ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn bíi ti wọ̀ọ́lù.
Sisi Quadri was married, but little was known about his wife as he barely posted any picture of her online. He has posted pictures of his two sons severally. He's a family man, as he is survived by sons, brothers, sister and wife, who were shocked by his sudden death.
tani Wasiu tani Wasiu sábà tẹ fọmọ fún rẹ wọn rú gbèsè táàkù bí pátó olóso ẹlẹ́kùn sí àfa àlà wẹlé ọwọ́ fi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣé bá ń dáwọ́ àfa àwọ̀ rẹ̀ àfẹ́ ẹ̀tún jíìmù wáyà wọn bíi pósítà òbíṣúárì ń jòlẹ̀ ráàyè kakura nítọ̀sán tóru wẹnu àfa ṣe ó tún wá ń kó lòlò ń gbé fáwọn lábẹ́ obìnrin ni àfa àlábọ̀
His time and career in Nollywood might be short, but the impact and laughter he created in the heart of millions will be eternally felt. The fans will miss the talent and acting skills of the fastest speaking comic actor in Nollywood.